So I just stumbled upon this tool called Heretic, and it claims to remove censorship from language models without any post-training. Like, how cool is that?
Wait, what? That sounds revolutionary. Are they really able to do this automatically? How does that even work?
Yeah, it's all about this method called directional ablation or obliteration. It's supposed to optimize the model's performance while reducing refusals.
Obliteration, that's a new term for me. What does it actually involve? Sounds complicated.
Well, essentially, it adjusts how the model processes prompts by minimizing the responses it sees as harmful. It changes the weights on certain matrices.
Wow, that's pretty interesting. But doesn't that raise concerns about what defines harmful? I mean, who decides that?
Exactly, it does open up a can of worms regarding biases. If the model is trained to see something as harmful, will it skew responses?
That's a valid concern. And what about the accuracy of the model's outputs? How do they ensure it still performs well?
Good question. Heretic uses a sort of feedback loop to compare the original model with the adjusted one, aiming for the lowest KL divergence.
KL divergence. That sounds technical. Can you break that down a bit more?
Sure, basically, KL divergence measures how different two probability distributions are. Lower values mean the adjusted model is still close to the original.
Got it. So, it's like tuning a musical instrument, trying to keep the original harmony while adjusting the strings.
Great analogy, and the results seem promising. Heretic can achieve similar refusal rates to expert manual adjustments but with less damage to performance.
That's impressive, but are there limitations to this tool? I mean, it sounds too good to be true.
For sure, it currently doesn't support certain hybrid models or novel attention systems, which is a significant limitation.
Interesting. So, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. What about the technical requirements for using Heretic?
You need Python and PyTorch set up on your machine, then it's as simple as running a command to get started.
That's very accessible. I love that anyone can dive in. But I'm curious, how does it benchmark for performance?
It benchmarks the system to find the optimal batch size for your hardware. On an RTX 3090, it takes about 45 minutes to decensor a model.
That's not too bad. But what if someone wants to customize the parameters? Can they do that?
Absolutely, users can tweak various parameters for more control, which adds a layer of flexibility based on their needs.
That's reassuring. Customization is key. But I wonder if doing this could create new biases in the model.
That's a concern too. The optimization process may lead to unintended consequences. It's a delicate balance.
For sure, and it makes me think about the ethical implications of using such a tool. Are we ready for it?
Good point, the ethical landscape is complex. It's great for enhancing freedom of expression, but there's a risk of misusing it.
Definitely a double-edged sword. But if it can genuinely improve models while minimizing harm, it could be a game changer.
Right, and if it's user-friendly, it might foster innovation in a space that's often bogged down by restrictions.
I can see that, but I still worry about the potential for abuse in the wrong hands.
Absolutely, it's a matter of trust in the user base. That's always the tricky part with powerful tools.
So it all circles back to responsibility, doesn't it? As exciting as this technology is, we need to be cautious.
Exactly, we can't ignore the implications. Maybe the community will help self-regulate its use.
I hope so. There's so much potential here to explore. I'm curious about the future of language models now.
Me too, this discussion has definitely opened my eyes to new possibilities and challenges.
Same here. I guess the key takeaway is to innovate responsibly while being aware of the ethical pitfalls.
Well said, who knew a tool designed to decensor could lead to such deep conversations about responsibility?
Right? It's fascinating how technology and ethics are intertwined. What will they think of next?
Who knows, but one thing is for sure, we'll be here to discuss it as it unfolds.
Absolutely. And I can't wait to see how tools like Heretic evolve in this fast-paced environment.
Same, it's all about balancing innovation and ethics. Let's keep the conversation going.
Definitely, I feel like we've only scratched the surface. What's next on our exploration list?